morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to welcome you today. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Soraya Singto. I'm a student at the Faculty of Education, Naresuan University. In my presentation, I would like to report on the being a good teacher. My topic is very important for you because you may be a good teacher in the future. In my presentation, I will focus on three major issues. Point 1. Deals with qualities of teacher. Point 2 is roles of teacher. And point 3 is responsibilities of teacher. My presentation will take about 30 minutes. I will have about 10 minutes for questions in the question and answer period. I can email the PowerPoint presentation to anybody who wants it. In this part of my presentation, I would like to talk about the being a good teacher. So, let me first give you a brief overview. Being a good teacher is like the building blocks of society, who educate people and make them better human beings. Therefore, it is an important lesson that what teachers should have qualities, roles, and responsibilities that can lead to being a good teacher. Let's now take a look at qualities of teacher, which may be described as under. Teachers should have professional efficiency, which is the dedication to teaching and personality traits. For example, love of children, a man of high moral character, emotionally stable, good expression, sense of humor, sociable in nature, and leadership quality. I would like to summarize what I have said so far. All of these things are parts that will help teachers work more efficiently. However, qualities of teacher depend on the individual's ability. That's all I wanted to say about qualities of teacher. After examining this point, let's turn to roles of teacher, which may be described as under. The most teachers have a role to teaching, planning, organizing activities, supervising a number of tasks and activities, guiding, evaluating from time to time, recording property register, supplies of equipment, issue or book, etc., and maintaining relations. I would like to summarize what I have said so far in which all roles of teacher must be performed within the school. Therefore, the teacher should allocate the time that is most suitable for the teacher, especially the role to teaching that are extremely important. That's all I wanted to say about roles of teacher. After examining this point, let's turn to responsibilities of teacher, which is the last main point and may be described as under. Teaching is a tripolar process which has three indispensable elements or constituents: the teacher or educator, the task or educing, and the curriculum. Out of these three, the teacher making the teaching process again success because the teaching is the real practitioner of the teaching learning process. I would like to summarize what I have said so far. Therefore, teachers should pay more attention to teaching. That's all I wanted to say about responsibilities of teacher. Well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. Before I stop, let me go over the key issues again. Being a good teacher is like the building blocks of society, who educate people and make them better human beings. Therefore, qualities of teacher, roles of teacher, and responsibilities of teacher considered to be important for teacher that should be taken based on the profession, especially roles of teacher, to teaching that are extremely important because of teacher must be performed within the school. Therefore, the teacher should allocate the time that is most suitable for the teacher. I'm sure you will make the right choice. And now I will be happy to answer any questions you may have.